guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's channel I'm going to be doing a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. I saw this photo on Instagram and I loved how her look came about. It's very simple, but she looked so pretty and I loved it. I wanted to recreate that look. Obviously my look doesn't look like hers, but I tried to incorporate most of the colors she used. Yeah, if you like to see it, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, so before this video I had already did my brows off camera as well as primed my eyes. For the brows I used my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and for my eye primer I basically used Tarte concealer. That's usually what I use. So for the eyes, in her look, it looks like she just basically did like a crease, like a brown crease, and like kept the lid very simple and minimum. So we're gonna do that. So with one of my favorite palettes, the Milani Cosmetics, I'm gonna go in with the second shade on the palette and just put that on my crease with a Morphe brush. That's what she has on her photo. So down on her lid, it looks like she just kept it very neutral. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer to just do a simple like cut crease. I'm using the Tarte. Okay, so for her eyelid, she went like very like neutral. So I'm going to use this first color here on the Milani Cosmetics palette. Like a light beige. It's like a color I would use usually just for like a transitional color. So that's what it looks like on the picture. So I'm going to apply that on the eyelid. For the face, I already had primed my face off camera, and I used the Maybelline Master Primer. So now onto foundation. I'm going in with the Super Stay Foundation from Maybelline, and I'm just going to get my Real Technique sponge and spray a little bit of setting spray from Mary Badisco. Do like a little pump. So always I start on my chin and work my way up. Then I'm going to put a little bit more concealer under my eyes with the Tarte Cosmetics. Put very little because this foundation is full coverage. So I don't think I need to, but always I like to be extra. To set my concealer, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Inflatable Setting Powder. So, just going to use very little. In the picture, she looks really bronze, so I'm going to be going in with the More Free bronzer. Just put very little, so I don't want to go too bronze. And put it like here. So for blush, she has like really nice pinky cheeks, so I'm using the e.l.f. blush, and it's Always Rosy. By very minimum, because this blush is like a little bit too pigmented. Now for her lips, she has like a nice glossy effect to it, so but it's like a nice nude pinkish color. So I'm gonna go in with my lip liner from NYX, and this is in the color London. Just gonna outline them. I did the lip liner. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color. It's from the ColourPop's collection with the Disney princesses, and this is in the color Ariel. And then I'm gonna, this is like the closest color I found that I have that's closest to the one she had on the photo. Since she does have a gloss, I don't own a lot of glosses because I'm not a big fan of them. But the one I do have that can give like a little gloss effect to it is this one from Frozen with ColourPop as well. And this is the one called Free Spirit. It's like a nice nude gloss. Okay guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys liked how my look came about. Leave comments down below if you think my look looks just like Kylie's. And also let me know down below what you want to see in my next video. I'll be reading your comments, and until next time, bye.